Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We'll be doing a quick top-down analysis, just a breakdown of what we'll be focusing on for the week, the price action and what we're having in the market ahead of market open. So basically we trade pure price action and patterns within the market. We'll be making this forecast and just to showcase to you guys possible trade setup ahead of the week. So let's start off on GBP So we start by identifying where we are currently in the market using our trend line to box off this price action. Seeing from this, we see we are trading within this pattern. How this impulse, how this correction line, how this impulsive move, how this impulse down, how this correction, it came down impulsively, and now the market is quietly creating this corrective price action. This is on the daily time frame. Let's drop down to the 4 hour. So here on the 4 hour, let's spot on our major levels, our key levels. So we could see this area as an area of value. Here we have this rejection, we have this 1, 2, and this third rejection. And price is currently trading around this zone. We are close to this area. So I anticipate a possible double top scenario here. If price should retest this area, then expecting an impulsive move down. So having said that, let's drop down to the 1 hour to refine our entry. So here on the 1 hour time frame, you could see we're having this corrective move all the way up here using our trend line to box off price action. So potentially we could trickle up all the way to this area, retesting this area, creating another pattern within this pattern, and maybe anticipating an impulsive sell-off all the way to this area. And let's drop down to the 4 to get a better view. To drop off all the way to this area and possibly reassess the market if we are going to retest this area within the trend line, this outer structure in the market. So overall guys, on the longer term frame now we are anticipating sell-off. However, we could see buys on this during the course of the week, but I'll rather wait for the sell. The sell will be anticipating a more aggressive sell from the market, depending on how price action develop as the market opens. So just to cap what we have on GPJPY, I'm anticipating a sell-off, a possible double top scenario, and we find our entry below time from sell-off up to these lows. So let's check on what we have on NZ cards. Let's start from the daily time frame. So here on the daily time frame, we see price also approaching around this higher time frame key structures. Here on the higher time frame, we are anticipating sell-off from the markets, similar to what we have on GPUSD. We are not far away from the structure. We have this price action around this zone, we're anticipating a test of this high and an impressive sell-off from the market to sell off from this area aggressively. Let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame to have a better look. So here on the 4-hour, you see we are having this corrective nature of price. So we could see we had this impulsive move, we had this correction, came all the way here, we had this impulse, and we are having this tight, as I mentioned, we are having this corrective structure. Could see overall the bullish move, the bulls in the market are losing momentum, and possibly anticipating strong sell-off from the market, possibly to take off this loss, and this will be a logical take profit. However, alternatively, we could have price comes to trickle all the way to tap this high, create a lower top, and we'll access the market to see if we could make an entry for a sell-off all the way to this area. Having said that, I'll just wait for more price action to confirm if we'll be selling or not at the moment. But overall, we're anticipating sell-off, a possible impulsive move from the market to sell all the way to this area. Let's check one more thing before we wrap up to this section. Let's look on AUD CHF. Let's take a little bit back to a higher time frame. So here on AUD CHF, I'm anticipating possible buys and via our key structures in the markets. Moving on to the 4-hour time frame. So looking from the left, we had this whole price action in the past. We hit this lows and came out the left. We had this impulsive move and having this corrective nature of price movement in the markets. So let's focus on the more recent price action. So we're having this large correction here. We have this large corrective move in the market. So we'll be looking for sell also ahead of the market open. We might see price triple the way here to tag these highs and have an impulse to sell off all the way to these lows. So just to keep it very simple, let's go down to the 1 hour. So here on the 1 hour time frame, we're anticipating short buys, but overall longer term sell should test around this area. We already have this first rejection, second rejection of this area. So if we could see price triple its way down here, so we test this area within the trend line on the outer structure. This first touch, second touch, a possible touch will ignite a possible buy, and we have an impulse up. If we should see a corrective nature, it might be a signal to continue to buy all the way to this area and anticipate a sell-off from this zone. So overall, we'll be having shorter term buys and for a longer term sell in the market. So these are some of the pairs we'll be focusing on our premium channel, which I'm sharing with you guys overall any development in the market. I'll also post possible updates so that you guys will take one or two trades alongside us. I'll be having a few pairs saved, focusing on possibly six pairs in the market. So we share about half of them with you guys. So do go through this video over and over again. And if you have questions, you can drop it on the discussion chat room, and do feel free to reach out to me. And also, we have our WhatsApp platform where we also discuss private issues. So, having said that, that will be all for now. See you guys soon.